WeTransfer is an internet-based computer file transfer service. Use WeTransfer to send your photos, videos, and other big files. WeTransfer is the simplest way to send your files around the world. Easy to receive and download. No sign-up or registration needed. Share large files up to 2 KB for free, way more than most of the email attachment sizes. This service is available to anyone with internet access for free. To transfer files, open your internet browser and go to WeTransfer.com. Select the Take Me to Free option. Click on Add Your Files. Locate the file that you want to upload. Select with a left mouse click, and click Open. Enter the recipient's email address. Enter your own email address and an optional message to the recipient. Click on the Transfer button and wait for the process to complete. When done, you can close your internet browser. That is all there is to send files with WeTransfer. The recipient of the files will receive an email from WeTransfer. Remember, the email sender will be indicated as WeTransfer. The following should be done by the recipient to download the files that were sent. Open the email from WeTransfer. Click on either the Get Your Files button or the download link in the email. This will open the WeTransfer website in the browser. Click on the download button and select the location, or folder, where the file should be downloaded to. The download process will then continue until completed. If you do not know where the file was stored, you can right-click on the file name in the bottom left corner and select Show in Folder. Files sent with WeTransfer are available for 7 days. After 7 days it will be removed from the WeTransfer computers and the recipient will not be able to download it anymore. Files can be sent to up to 3 email recipients per transfer. Recipients can forward the links and allow others to use them.